Right, we are here at Roundhay Park, and quite a big car park, disabled bays. So free parking for disabled. I don't know what it is for able bodies. And we're going to have a ride around the lake, send the drone up, and have a good look round. So I don't know what's going on with these paths, but I think Leeds Council ought to get something done about it, because you can't get all the way around this lake now. The paths have just gone too boggy, too many potholes, so we have to turn around and go around the other side of the lake, see what that's like. I'm trying out this new Gopro I bought, which is attached to my strap, attached to my chest, Hopefully it should give you better footage, as before I was just using my iPhone on the selfie stick trying to ride the scooter with one hand and on the selfie stick with the same hand, which wasn't ideal.
I just want you to be happy without feeling guilty. It's okay if you leave me. I just want you to be happy. I just want you to be happy, even thought I'm not ready. It's okay if you leave me. I just want you to be happy. Am I stuck in this dream forevermore? Wake me up as I need to move on. Like I owe the best every hope that I'm chasing, trying to outrun my own fears. Shake me up tonight, can't you see that I'm wasting you and me? Say it's life. Can we get it right together? It's our life. Live it now, there's no forever. Once you've let me go, saying words you can't remember. But tonight we'll be riding home together. We'll be riding take whatever comes. Yeah, broken dreams, let's turn it to dust. I don't owe the past every hope that I'm chasing. Help me see the world like it's new. I was running blind all the time I was wasting. Me and you, me and you. Say it's life. Can we get it right together? It's our life. Live it now, there's no forever. Once you've let me go, saying words you can't remember. But tonight we'll be riding home together. We'll be riding home together. We'll be riding home together. Through the sky we dancing free, without fear of falling, on the wings of beautiful words, deep meaning is stored. I am floating in the air, in the haven of mind, waiting for a miracle come. Take me flying, reach for distant stars, is it possible? So let us to continue our journey. Reach for distant stars, is it possible? So are the new heights better flying high? There is no timeline to, if you just always wait. Everything happened when you open the way.
I'm flying, I'm up to something. You cannot stop me. I feel so strong now, I feel so happy. Not even 1 cent in my pocket, but it's a good life, don't spoil the magic. I spread my wings, fly high like a bird. I'm doing okay, I'm on top of the world. I'm gonna spread my wings, fly high like a bird. I'm doing okay, okay, okay. I'm flying, sky. Mister, turn up the music, I'ma shout it up louder. Want the whole world to know that, hey, I'm gonna live my life just like in the movies. I am born to take over, oh, I said, I'm up to
So I'm going to end the video there of I drive around Roundhay Park Lake and look from above. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, it does help me out enormously to get more recognised on YouTube. Also hit the like button and hit that bell for notifications for when the next video comes out, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.